In this video, I'll show you how to transfer crypto from wallet to wallet inside of Axiom Pro. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and like the video. So the first thing that you need to do is open up and log into your Axiom Pro account. If you don't already have an Axiom Pro account, I'll drop a link down below in the description and the pinned comment. And by using my link, you'll actually unlock a 10% discount on all your trading fees. After you've clicked on that link, you're going to come to a page that looks like this. And you're going to go right over here and click on Start Trading. Make sure Key shows up right over here under invite code and sign up with either your email, Gmail, or by connecting your Phantom wallet. So once you've logged into your account, you're going to come to a page that looks like this. And we're going to go right over here to the top of the page and click on Portfolio. From here, make sure you have wallets selected. And as you can see here in wallet 3, I have 0.08 Solana. And I'm going to transfer it to my Axiom main account, which currently has 0. To do that, we're going to go over here to the wallet that has the funds in it, and we're going to make sure that we have Make Primary selected. Next, you're going to go copy the wallet address where you want to send the funds to. Go right over here to the top and click on your wallet and click on Withdraw. Verify your account. And right here, I'm going to transfer my whole balance. I'm going to click on Max. We're transferring Solana. Make sure it's on the Solana blockchain. Right here, we're going to paste in the address we copied. And we're going to click on Withdraw All Sol. As you can see, it's successfully sent. If we go back over here and refresh the page, as you can see, the funds have been transferred over to my Axiom main account, and wallet 3 has 0. I'm going to go right over here and make this wallet my primary now, and I'm going to select this square to make it the wallet that I use. And that's how to transfer Solana from one wallet to another on your Axiom Pro account. If you found this helpful, don't forget to subscribe and like the video.